Ate Bhing. Ate Bhing. Nga tawag. Happy Easter, everyone! Happy Easter Sunday po sa ating lahat. And for today's vlog, bago ay magpapakilala po muna ako sa mga bago sa aking YouTube channel. Ako po si Mami Inday, Colleen, and welcome to my world. Welcome to Colleen's World. At ito nga po, kasama po ang Pamilya Mateo. And ngayon nga po, Easter Sunday, usually po ang ginagawa namin, naghahanap kami ng activity sa labas na pwede naming salihan na maghahanap si Riley ng egg. So dahil nga po lahat po tayo ay naka-quarantine at hindi tayo makapunta ng mall, walang park na pwedeng puntahan, gagawin po natin ito sa loob ng bahay. Actually, kung talaga nga namang gusto mong magtipid, pwede naman talaga sa loob ng bahay gawin. So ngayon, kahit quarantine, wala makapipigil para gawin itong activity na ito para sa ating mga kids. Syempre, masaya pa rin na may activity sila na ganito. So ito, gagawin nga po natin dito sa bahay, ang Easter egg hunt. Pero, dahil nga po wala tayong mabilhan nung laruan na eggs, and supposedly ang gagamitin ko is yung tunay na egg, kaya lang baka mabasag po ni Riley Boo, sayang, nag-improvise po tayo. Ang gagamitin po natin is yung mga laruan ni Riley na dinosaurs. So, instead of the egg, let's hunt the dinosaur. Okay. So, hindi na siya egg hunt, it's dinosaur hunt. So, yun nga po, samahan kami ngayon and mag-bonding tayo sa vlog na ito. Once again, Happy Easter, everyone! Linggo ng pagkabuhay. Dapat buhay na buhay tayo and positive na positive tayo. Wag sa COVID, ha? Positive tayo na itong crisis na ito ay malalampasan at matatapos din. And tuloy ang buhay kahit nandito tayo sa bahay. Let's go! Okay, wear your dinosaur tail.
Yeah, I was just putting here. I was just putting it here.
Let's go, let's go.
And I'm taking a rest.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dinosaur hunt is ready to go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
To the room.
Okay. Okay, there's 20 dinosaurs around the room. All you have to do is to look for them and put inside the basket. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Ready?
How about together?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready! Parang may nakikita ka na. You must count, okay?
Count.
Yes, you must count. Ready! Get set! Go! Wow! Put inside the basket.
What is too big?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's carpet. This is not.
Look for the others. Oh, put it on the floor na lang. On the floor first. Here.
The beach.
Here. Okay, one.
There's 2 dinosaurs pala.
Okay.
They're too
Wait, let
big,
me help.
heavy, too. I will put this here, and I will put this here.
Oh, you found it.
I'm just looking right and right.
Okay.
Wait, there's. What's this? Is that? No, it's broken.
It's okay.
Getting the left, so that's why.
Okay, let me fix it. Wow, ayaw na daw
One,
ng
two, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have forgot 4. 4 dinosaurs. This one made of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, there's more. Look for the other dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Yay! Wait!
Where?
Does that look like a volcano? or a mountain? Wait! Kika! I hear something moving. Let me check. Wait! Wait! It's like a volcano! Wait! It has a long neck, like a long tail.
What's that?
It's a brachiosaurus.
Wow! Ang cute ni Riley. Where are the other dinosaurs?
Wait! I forgot! Yay!
Whoa!
Wait! That's not a dinosaur, that's a Monggo.
Yeah, that's not kasali.
That,
You want my help?
can I have a ladder?
Ladder? You want Mama's help?
No, I need a ladder.
Okay. You want here? Get this.
Wait, I found one. There's this path.
Just be careful.
I can't be careful. Yeah. I can't do. Can't do this. Oh no.
It's okay, it's okay.
Why?
It's okay.
I need a tangle. Or something, a tangle. Or a rectangle.
Good
Or
job.
something, a tangle.
There's 2 dinosaurs. What's the color of your dinosaurs?
Green. They're
Wow.
also green. They're friends because they're green.
Okay.
So I want to go. Okay.
There's Pa.
Where?
Look for it. There's Pa.
Wait. It's in your chair. Why did you hide it in your chair?
Are you enjoying this?
Yeah. I'm doing
Whoa! You found it! Okay.
eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. So you have 18 dinosaurs.
How about some more dinosaurs?
That's all. You found all the dinosaurs. So, akala ko 20 yung nakalat ko. Mga 18 lang pala. What?
Easter egg hunt now.
That's our that's our hunt. We don't have egg. Instead, we use the dinosaurs. Is that okay with you? Is that okay with you?
And all playing. Let's start to play.
All Are you happy now?
Yeah.
High five, boy. High five. Good job. You found all the dinosaurs. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you super, super, super happy?
Yeah.
I love you.
Wait. I need a flyer.
Where's my I love you?
I love you.
So, ayan na nga po mga Momshi Inday. Ayan, naglaro na nga po kami ng dinosaur hunt dito po sa bahay. Again, wala po tayong egg. Pwede naman kayo mag-improvise as long as meron silang activity and may enjoy naman din nila yan. So, yan. At sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa paglalaro po ni Kuya Riley. This time naman, samahan nyo akong magluto ng monggo ala Inday Colleen. Ito po yung monggo na itinuro po sa akin ng aking lola. Ang sekreto kung paano mas pasarapin ang monggo. Ayan. So, sa ngayon po, wala po tayong dahon ng malunggay, wala tayong dahon ng sili. So, itatawid na lang natin itong monggong ito. So, tara, luto naman tayo. First, ihanda ang bawang at sibuyas. Durugin, parang gaya ng pagdurog mo sa kanya. Charot! Chop into small pieces ang pork. Pakuluan ang munggo hanggang lumambot. Kasing lambot ng jowa mo. Ang tip ng lola ko, durugin ang munggo para mas lumabas ang katas. This time, gisahin naman ang pork. Pampalasa, asin at paminta. Haluin syempre. Hayaang maluto hanggang maging brown. Huwag naman sunog, te. Ito ang style ko. Tsaka ko igigisa ang bawang at sibuyas at tsaka ko hahaluin. This time, ihalo na si pork kay munggo para may forever!
Wow!
Broth cubes ang ginamit kong pampalasa. Depende sa'yo yan. Pakuluan, pakuluan. And then, tapos na.
Yahoo!
Aray, ang init. Yummo! Airy, happy Easter! Ay, sus! Alright, happy Easter everyone! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, everyone!
Happy Easter! So anyway, there you have it. Opo, yan na nga po ang vlog natin for today. Wala naman masyado maganda. Anyway, gutom na ito. Wait lang. Ayan na nga po ang ganap ng pamilya Mateo. Kahapon, hindi ko na natuloy yung video kasi si Riley, si Valerie, umiiyak, humihingi ng gatas. So, there you go. Maraming salamat po for watching and i-take ko na rin po ang opportunity na ito na lumapit po at kumatok sa inyong mga puso dahil meron po akong ginagawa na frontliners drive for PPE para sa ating mga frontliners. Ito po ay proyekto ni Dodong at ni Inday. Proyekto para sa ating mga frontliners. Para po sa ibang detalye, bisitahin lamang po ang aming Facebook page, Proyekto ni Dodong at Inday. Kung meron lang po kayo kahit kaunting halaga para po makabili tayo ng PPE para sa ating mga frontliners, okay na po yun. At maraming salamat po in advance. Syempre, once again, saludo po kami sa ating mga frontliners. Know that kasama kayo sa aming mga dasal, sa aming mga dalangin. And keep safe po. Once again, Saludo po kami sa inyo. So, until next Good Vibes video, mga Momshi Inday, Dungday, Mami Inday Colleen po ito, and kita-kits again sa next video. Pahalo ka, Kobe! Bye-bye!